go free build. Today's video, I'm going to be trying to build the most powerful system I can. It's going to be pretty freaking dank. Alright. So, they just added the 9th gen Intel CPUs and the RTX graphics cards in this game. So, I'm probably going to be doing that. Okay, so I'm in the game. I built this yesterday. It's got i9-7980XE. It's got what? 64 gigs of DDR4 RAM at 3200 megahertz, and then it's got two RTX 2080 Ti Founders Editions. Overclocked to the most they'll even overclock to, and then the CPU is water cooled, and then the graphics cards are air cooled. So I'm gonna put that in there. I kind of have an issue. Like, if you look in here, I kind of have an issue. Just look how many. Oh man. Anyway, so let's go. Cases. What's the biggest case in this game? Let's see. This is a pretty big case. So is that. I think I might choose this one. Yeah, I'm gonna go with the C700P. Why not? Open that, open this, remove front panel. Okay, so once I get removed, or once I remove everything, I'll start throwing parts in it. Let me remove these case fans. Can I remove these? Okay, yeah, I can. Wait, can I? I want to remove these hard drive thingies. I know I can. Like, there's screws here. Like, but the game isn't letting me. I love your game, but you guys need to fix it. Alright. Won't let me remove those. Alright, so let's go motherboards. This is Z370. That'll work for 9th gen. Z378. That's an Asus Prime. I like this motherboard a lot. I don't know why. I also really like this one. I don't know why, but I really like the color silver. Maximus X Apex. What is this PC for? Apex Legends? You know what I'm saying? Yeah, let's just go with this one. Alright. Now we'll open up the CPU shield. Let's open the memory slots. Alright, let's put in the CPU first. What is that? Thermal paste on that. Memory. Should I go with Dominators? So let's make this have 64 gigs of Dominator Platinum memory. Just because I think it'll look cool once the case is all closed and it's all lighting up. Remove that, this, that, and that. I'm gonna put some EVGA RTX 2080 Ti's in here. Let's see here. I want the system to be liquid cooled. Let's go with this and put it in the front, or should I put it in the front or the top? I saw somewhere that the front is like the best for CPU cooling if you're gonna get an AIO. So you know what? Let's do that. I don't know if that's true or not because I've never really tried it. I haven't tried anything with air coolers or liquid coolers really, other than this PC over here. That's just got a 120mm outtake. But other than that, it's pretty much just, yeah. I didn't really look at this case before I started using it, so I don't know any of the specs of this case. like at all. So I'm just going by what I see. Holy shit, it can fit 3. Alright, we're gonna put 3 over here then. But, I guess not. You know what? That's fine. Case fans. They should add that to this game. They should make it so you can have, like, dual reservoirs and, like... Oh, that's gonna bother me. That's gonna bother me. Okay, hold on. No, I don't want that there. We're gonna hook this one. Oh, there we go. Now if it gets power out, all these will turn on. Wait, is these plugged into anything? Oh, yeah. Okay. I'm special. EVGA RTX 2080 Ti's. Oh, yes, I can fit both of them. Alright, sick. Now, I'm worried about cooling in this one. I don't know if that's going to be a problem. I hope not. I don't think it will. I guess I could just, like... It'll be fine. I don't know if the game is really realistic in that aspect. I don't know if, like, that would cause a problem or not. Here, let's change the cable colors. Do plain plastic light gray. Do 4 terabyte hard drives. I like 4 terabyte hard drives. Those are pretty nice. They hold all your shit. Alright, alright. Power supply cradle was there. Alright. Put a power supply in this bitch. I'll go with Corsair AX1600i. Does that not work with that PSU cradle or something? Alright. Where is it? Right here. Wait a minute. I'm so confused. Wait, do I need to put the PSU cradle in now? What? Why didn't it just I don't that's kind of okay. I'm confused, not gonna lie. Alright. Let's put storage. We'll put an SSD in here. Not an SSD, we'll put a couple. Corsair. Hey Corsair, if my channel ever gets big enough, you know, you should sponsor me, you know what I'm saying? If you ever see this video, I don't think you will. But like, yeah. Cause like I love your shit. I have Corsair mouse here, Corsair keyboard here, Corsair mouse here. I have an issue, but you know, it's a good issue to have. Right? Power supply shroud, that can go there. We will fan cover. Back panel, put that on there. Even though everything's plugged in, it just clipped through everything, you know, that's cool. I'm not gonna, you know, I'm not gonna be against that. It just makes my job easier, you know, in this game. Now we just gotta take the USB stick, stick it in here real good. That's what she said, I know. Fuck, let me put it in. I did it. We're not gonna do any CPU overclocking in this video. I will eventually, don't worry. But yeah, we're just gonna turn the XMP profile for the memory, and then I'm gonna add or remove programs, put lighting on there, 3DMARK, GPU tuner, select wallpaper. This is a pretty nice PC case, I'm not gonna lie. I wouldn't mind having this in real life. However, my parents are kind of divorced, so I have to go back and forth all the time. And so that's why I built my PC that I have now, which is in the Dayan A4 SFX case. And it's a mini ITX system. And it's smaller than a shoebox, so I can just take it back in a backpack, and it's like perfect. Perfect for me. We're gonna plus this by 105. Or no, I think the highest I've been able to get this to was like 113. in the memory, the highest I've been able to get it to was like 200 and like 14, I think, something like that. See if it crashes. Hopefully it won't. I'm hoping it'll be stable. Alright, we'll see if this crashes or not. Damn, 160 FPS. Or 159.6, but I'm just gonna round it up. Second one of these is coming. I think either later today or tomorrow. I can't wait, man. My new editing rig is gonna be sick. It's gonna have 8 cores, 16 threads, 32 gigs of RAM. I was gonna get 64 originally, but then I decided to go for 32 in my last video. Yeah. 'Cause 64 gigs of RAM is kind of expensive. I looked at ECC registered DDR3 1066 memory. I looked at 64 gigs, and it was like $200, and the cheapest price I found with it used was like 80. And like if I look at used DDR3 1066 ECC registered DDR3, then and it's only like 32 gigs, then like I found the cheapest price I found was like $30 or something. I think it was like 35 something. But yeah, this system just got 20,967 score on 3DMARK. Yeah, I think that's pretty good. I don't think I want to try overclocking this more. I think this is fine because, let's see here. If I remember correctly, let's see if I can find the stuff I used. It was this one. It was this PC. So, we'll check the overclock on this. Let's see, 128 and 215, what is this at? I think it was like, so let's put this at 128 and 215. And this is with a nice cooler, and it's not just a, like a reference PCB from NVIDIA. This is a custom PCB from EVGA, so hopefully, and it's got a better cooler, so hopefully I'll be able to achieve a little bit better of an overclock on that one. So, if not, then like, it's whatever. Admiring this system, it's really nice, I like it. I really like this one actually. Like, if I had this in real life, you realize how happy I'd be, dude? Like, I think I'd literally shit myself. If this showed up at my door, dude, like, I would literally, like, shit my pants right then and there. Alright, let's see our score. 21,062. That's the highest score of any PC I've built. Holy shit. I just realized I'm swearing a lot. I'm sorry, guys. I don't mean to, like, do that. It's just a habit for me. I just do it, like, all the time, so it's kind of an issue, I know. But, like, what are you gonna do, you know? YouTube, please don't get mad at me for swearing. I know it's against your terms of service or whatever, but yeah. Motherboards. Let's see here. Let's go with that. Alright, RAM, XMP on. Apply changes and restart. Alright. So it was 21,062. Now we'll run a benchmark on this system. 3DMARK Advanced Edition, GPU tuner. Alright, let's restart the system. They're literally the same system, the only difference is the CPU and motherboard in each. And this one has one less M.2. But that shouldn't do anything to the performance at all, so. Unless this game has like some secret like automatic like raid mode that it automatically puts on. Alright, 128 on this. And then it was 215 on this, right? I think that's right. Is that 215? Yeah, it is. Okay. Apply. We'll do that. Lighting all white. Alright. Alright. 21,062. Run this one. 2990 WX or i9 9900K. I might see if I can find a used i9 9900K on eBay or Craigslist. Put it up against this 2008 or 2008 or 9. I don't remember. I think it came out Q1 2009. But 2008 or 9 Xeon E5530. And we'll see how they compare. I'll overclock this to the same stock speed as the i9, and we'll see. Obviously, the i9 is probably going to outperform it like a boss, but like still. I'd just like to see the performance difference. So right now it's getting 148 FPS. I don't remember what FPS we were on when we were on this machine. But I think this is higher. This might be higher by like 1 or 2 FPS maybe. I don't know. 21520, 2162. So the Threadripper 2990WX, which came out before the i9 9900K, is faster. However, this kind of is a 32 core 64 thread system with 64 gigs of RAM. Whereas this is only like 8 cores, 16 threads. So I guess if you think about it, per core performance, the i9 does outperform the Threadripper. However, the CPUs in themselves, like everything included, all the cores and everything, this is faster. But this does have an advantage because it has 32 cores and 64 threads. Running at, how many gigahertz? Let's see, I got 21520. Let's just hit the power button on this. Let's turn it back on. Let's see, what is the CPU running at? 4.2 gigahertz. This is running at 5. And this is 32 cores, 64 threads. And this only has 8 cores, 16 threads. Right, so this is selling for like $2,000. The cheapest price they have is $1,440, and that's used. i9 9900K for used, 80 bucks. So basically what I'm saying is that the i9 9900K is way better than the Threadripper. Should we do a sleeper PC? Let's do a sleeper PC. Let's go with this looks pretty sleepery. Remove that. Oh, I like the brushed aluminum on this case. I never noticed that. I never noticed how it was brushed aluminum. That's pretty nice. We're gonna remove all these. We're gonna water cool it. And it's gonna be fast. Real fast. Alright, hold on. Remove. 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 move. What's the point of having a vertical mounted GPU in like a closed case? Like what? What's the point? That doesn't make sense. I did not mean to remove that. Alright, so motherboards. Yo, they should really make it so you can water cool this motherboard. Wait, is it this motherboard? Or no, it's not this motherboard. I'm thinking of a different one. They have a motherboard in this game that has like the what is it called? The screws that you can unscrew to put like the tubes in, right? And you can't actually water cool it. Oh, it's this one. Right? Yeah. It's this one. See? It's got the EK water block design thingy, but there's no way to like water cool it. And it bothers me like all the time. They need to make it so you can water cool that shit. That would be actually dope. And yes, I just said dope. What's up? I'm gonna freaking fight, alright? Alright, let's go cables. We're gonna choose some black cables on this one. Let's go with some sleeved plastic. I like that one. Alright, now let's remove all this. We're gonna take some water cooled memory and throw it in here. Water cooled. So let's go memory. They need to make it so you can like custom water cool your memory. Like, could you imagine? Like, that'd be awesome. Like, it's like a piece of like clear plastic with little nickel contact points, and there's thermal pads, and then like it's just a little clear plastic piece with like the nickel around them, like in between each memory like stick. Like, that'd be awesome. You guys get what I mean? I'm not really the best at explaining things, but yeah. So here, let's put some water cooled memory in here. But that would be sick if they made like custom water cooling for memory. Like, dude, I would totally do a video on that. Alright, open CPU shield. Put a i9 9900K in here. Should we do some overclocking? I don't know. We might. We might do some overclocking. Why not? Alright, oh, custom water cooling. Yeah, we need to go graphics cards, and then it's all the way at the bottom. Okay. I don't care about your vertical GPU shit, okay? Alright. Reservoirs. How many can I put in the system? Just one? They need to add like a dual reservoir thing so you can put two. Like, that'd be sick. Alright, CPU blocks. This one. Alright, radiators. I'm gonna put a 360 millimeter over here. And a 120 over here. That way it's gonna come out of the reservoir, go out through here, go into the CPU, then go back into another radiator so it cools down from the CPU, goes into the graphics cards, then it'll come back into the reservoir, and then that'll, yeah. Alright. Does that sound like a good idea? I think it's a good idea. Here, let's go, you know what, we'll do red opaque. Oh wait, is that UV? I don't think I picked UV. Red opaque UV coolant. There we go. Alright, now let's go and we're gonna put some SSDs in here. Alright, storage. Do some XPG solid states. think if I had a system like this in real life, I think I'd freak out. I mean, I do kind of have a system sort of like that. I have an RTX 2070, a Ryzen 5 2600X, and 16 gigs of RAM, which is pretty good for me. I am good with that for like a while, but I think it'd still be nice to have like dual 2080 Ti's and shit. Black rigid pipes. Sept. Should I put power supply in here? Power supply. I know I need to, but like, oh fuck. Hold on. Remove. We're gonna have to do so much bleeping out. I don't think I'll even do it. You know, like, just screw it. You know. Unplug. Power supply mount. Alright. Piping. We'll do that. Go here. Does anyone know if it even matters if you put it in the right in and the right out? Like, does that even matter? I don't even think it does. Like, does that actually affect anything? I hope it doesn't. We'll go piping. I think I'm doing this right. If I'm not, please comment below and like help me. That way I don't do it again. I have no idea what the fuck I'm doing. I have some idea, but I don't have a full like idea. You know what I mean? Like, I'm just kind of confused. Oh shit, is someone mowing the lawn? No way. First lawnmower? First lawnmower of the spring? That's surprising. Oh no way. Brian's doing the lawn. My stepdad's doing the lawn right now. That's pretty cool. Alright. I don't know why I'm so interested by that. I don't really care. I just think it's kind of cool that it's like the first time we're mowing the lawn. That means it's almost summertime, and then I'm going to be out of school, and then you guys are going to see way more videos. I'm so excited. I'm sorry, I just like talked way too much there. But it's whatever. Alright, what the fuck am I doing? This is like my entire life. What am I doing? I like everything to be straight. There we go. Alright, empty loop, I know. Okay. Piping. Here, let's just go cool it real quick. We'll do red opaque UV coolant. Alright, let's throw this all back together real quick. That goes there. This goes here. It's gonna be a super mega grande I don't know the word for PC in Spanish, but you know what, who cares? Alright, unplug that, and then maybe I can put that on. Can I put that on now? No? No, it's all on the way. I see. It's whatever. No one's gonna really notice. It's fine. Let's go, no, I don't want to put that. Fuck. Alright. What am I doing? Okay. I need to find... I am going insane. Alright. I need to find front panel. Oh, there we go. Okay, I know what I'm doing now. I was lost for a second. I didn't know what was happening. Alright, let's go install USB drive. Fuck. Oh, there we go. Let's see here. 5 gigahertz. XMP on. Yes, restart. So it's got 2 liquid cooled graphics cards. GPU tuner, no. Yes, alright. Let's see how powerful we can make this system. I'm sorry if the lawnmower outside is annoying. Alright, lighting. Everything glow red. Everything. Let's remove the side panel real quick. Oh yeah, that's sexy. What if I make everything like GPU tuner? Hold on, let me like. Remember earlier it was like 100 and. What was it? 120. I'm just gonna put it at 125, and then we're gonna put this at 215. I think that was it. Unless I'm wrong. Then it'll just crash, and we'll be fine. But like, yeah. Run. And I don't want it to have fresh air. I want it to be choked. That way we got that accurate benchmark result. I feel like no one would really expect this to be a gaming PC. They'd expect it to be like a server tower or something. They'd just be like, oh, alright. And they'd like walk right past it. Like, it's not really worth stealing, really. 162? That's pretty good. 161.7. See what this PC gets. This is a single 2080 Ti. It's got 16 gigs? Yeah, 16 gigs of DDR4, and then it's got a Ryzen 7 2700. So let's just see what that gets. I got bored one day and I just built this PC. And I gave it a budget of 2500, and I literally got just under it, 2496. $21,654. That is the highest score I've gotten in this game so far. That's this system. Hopefully you guys did enjoy. Leave a like in the below this video or whatever. Fuck, I don't know how to fucking talk, but leave a like. Comment your thoughts and opinions on what I should do next in this game, and yeah. Please explain, like, send me videos, like, just tell me how to overclock properly, because I have no idea. Like, I remember watching a tutorial on how to overclock on this system, and that's pretty much all I know. This system's running at 1.2... or no, 1.3125 volts. And then it's overclocked. Oh, that, I almost died. It's overclocked to what? I think. Let me check this. Let's go start. Okay. So I found out my system is running at 1.3125 volts, and it is overclocked to 3.8 gigahertz. And its stock speed I think was like 3.4 or 5. I think it was 3.4. Unless it was 3.5. I don't know. But yeah, it's just a small overclock. And I only have a 450 watt power supply, so like for my RTX 2070 and like a small overclock on the CPU and a large overclock on the RTX 2070, my PC is like barely able to pull all that off. Like it's got just enough power to like get all that like good overclock, and then like it can't exceed that anymore. If I wanted to upgrade the system anymore, I would have to like get a new power supply. It has a Corsair 450 watt SFX power supply, and like It's an 80 plus gold. Other than that, there's nothing I can do. But yeah, hopefully you guys did enjoy that video. And yeah, I'll talk to you guys in the next video.